Hey guys, today I would like to talk about the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. As you see right now, I got the Note 10 Plus on my hand and I will give you my first impression on this phone as well. Alright, so let's get the video rolling. So the first question is it worth to get the Note 10 series? My answer is yes. Why? Because the storage size, the RAM are very good. Alright, you're actually paying less than $2,000 for 12 gig RAM and plus 256 gig minimum storage, and they have addition 512 gigabyte for the Note 10 Plus. In addition, the color itself, there's a lot of options. Okay, the options is like 4 colors for the Note 10 Plus, 3 color for the Note 10, which is really good. The camera, no doubt, it's really good. It's gonna be much better than a lot of phones out there. And then plus right now they have a live focus video, which is gonna be so amazing. Okay, and I just give you one word about this Note 10 Plus. Okay, I got one and I take a look at this and then I give you one word. It's not as big as you think. Okay, there's no bezel on the side. You barely can see bezel on the top, the front camera, and everything looks very tiny. And this Note 10 Plus is not that big. Alright, that's it. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye, peace out.